Yeah, when you go on, sir. When you have bad truck and some truck now go nowhere, you just look for them and say, push on the move out the way. Machine and come up and walk down. Yeah, them boy the truck now go nowhere. So push them boy they feeling it. Them boy the truck no good. You wanna give me away? Walk down. And now go nowhere. Yeah. You don't know, watch out. Man, them stuff now go down the one there, yo, Sadiq, it's 12 wheeler no good. Now go nowhere, watch out, bumbo class, watch out. Now go nowhere, bumbo class. Well, you don't know if you don't see enough car. I too slow something in front of them, I can't pass them, just allow them. Come here.
Madman.
Wow, here comes Deej right at front. This is Marco and Steve at the side.
Give me a piece of my box.